One of the many foods Haitians eat for breakfast is la bouillie banane, plantain porridge. If you have never tried la bouillie for breakfast, then you're truly missing out. Porridge have long been an essential part of Caribbean cuisine. Unlike typical porridge, which uses grains such as oats, wheat, and corn, la bouillie uses plantains. Thus, porridge is sweet and creamy with the consistency of light grits. Try it, I'm sure you will be pleased. Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmay, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. On our channel, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you are new to our channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video with a friend. And also, don't forget to click on the notification button to get updated on all our new content. You can find any links that I mentioned in this video and the recipe in the description below. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video to receive my bonus tips. So let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do is you want to wash the plantain. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to cut the plantains into small chunks. Cut the ends off, and you can cut some of the skin off, but I usually leave a lot of the skin on, but you can cut some of the skin off. Then you want to cut them up into small pieces. You also want to add a ripe banana. Next thing is you want to add the plantains, and you also want to add the bananas and 2 cups of water in a blender. And puree the banana and the plantains. Next, you want to puree the bananas and the plantains with the 2 cups of water. Then you want to add the evaporated milk. Then you want to add the coconut milk as well. You want to stir that. Now you want to add your sugar. You also want to add your butter. You want to add your cinnamon and your anise. You want to add your nutmeg. Add your salt, your lemon rind, and your vanilla. Now you want to let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes until it gets to a consistency of oatmeal. So right now it's pretty loose, so we're going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And now to taste the labouille banan, the plantain porridge. Truly should try this. Now for my 3 tips for making amazing labouille banan. Tip number 1. When prepping the plantains, make sure you wash them and cut them up into small chunks. Makes it a lot easier to blend them. And it's okay to leave some of the skin on or all of the skin on for extra nutrients. Tip number 2. You may use honey to sweeten the porridge, however, it will alter the taste. Another alternative is to use condensed milk. Tip number 3. The plantains has many uses in the Haitian kitchen. When it's pureed, it can be used in porridge, or when it's boiled, it can be used as a side dish. And finally, it can be fried as another side dish. Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I am Samuel Valmay. Please don't forget to purchase our new book on Amazon and come back to the channel often as we'll be posting different recipes, techniques, and discussions that we are sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook.